Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fully uninstall apps on Windows 11. Whether you're freeing up space or removing unused software, doing this completely keeps your system clean and secure. So let's dive in. Step 1, go to your search bar and search settings. So we are going to open settings. Once you're in the settings, look for app. So look for apps and click on it. So you're going to click on apps and features. When you click on this, you'll see all your installed apps that are found on the computer. As you can see, we have 77 apps installed. So what you're going to do now is you're going to look for the particular app of which you wish to uninstall. You understand? Yes, look for the app of which you wish to uninstall. So when you look for the app, for example, ChatGPT, if you click on ChatGPT, you click on these three dots on the right, you're going to see options. So we can see advanced options, we can see uninstall. So for you to uninstall the app, you just simply need to click uninstall and boom, your app is going to begin uninstalling at once. And that's how you fully uninstall apps in Windows 11.